Hey guys, what is going on? This is Chidgemeister Wars, and today I'm gonna bring you another pack opening. As you can see there, I got 156,000 coins because today earlier I got Neymar an hour ago, so it's pretty cool. Always go for these hearts, guys, because I think they give you better players. So here we go. I might give you about 5 packs here, guys, to get it. Don't know if that is. He looks shit, guys. The perv! Ha! Lol. Just gonna quick sell in all this, guys. Waste the coins. Might actually bring in one more pack, not Messi, because everybody buys him. Go for another draw art. Maruda, nah, he's shit. Another standard pack from EA. A modifier might go for a bit. 4-1-2-1-2. Definitely will go for a bit. Hopefully about 6k for that, guys. Demas. Quick sell the rest. Should we do one more? Yeah, go on, let's do one more. Come on, EA. Come on. Come on, EA. Rodriguez. Oh, for fuck's sake. Yeah, EA give me a good player, but now they're giving me shit, so I'm not going to open any more packs, guys. It's been Chidgemeister Wars signing out. Peace.